judgment.
How do you displace these findings, Mr. Gupta?
My lord, I am not displacing all those 4 categories, my lord. I have segregated now.
But look at, it's a systemic fraud.
My lord, just look at the directions then, my lord. Is this
fraud.
fair? Look at the directions now.
And ultimately, Mr. Gupta, what happens is this.
Yes, my lord.
Today, public jobs are so scarce,
Yes, my lord.
and so valued,
Yes,
that if the faith of the community in public employment goes,
yes,
then nothing remains. Because today, public jobs and public employment is extremely valued.
yes,
It's a source of social mobility for people coming in from the lower strata.
yes.
People only aspire that, all right, my daughter and my son will get a government job. If this is the way, I mean, we are virtually purloining public employment. What remains in the system?
But, my lord, your lordships have said.
How do you displace these findings?
My lord, your lordships have said so in several judgments that if it is possible to segregate, we will not set aside the panel. I'll just show your lordship just 2, my lord. One is your own judgment.
Right, where I think Madhu Diwan had appeared.
Yes. And I'll show your lordship one other paragraph, my lord, from another judgment of the same year, 2021, which says
But
that even if.
Interestingly, that was the case where the entire process was set aside.
Yes, correct.
Yes.
But here, your lordships have also had occasion to say that even if there is a small possibility that it is possible to segregate, we will explore that possibility. Because on the one hand, what your lordship is saying is right, that people, my lord, have an expectation of public employment. On the other hand, my lord, these very persons will be on the street.
But you have nothing to show that this is the data which I have maintained.
My lord, I am sorry, my lord, if this
Where
data
do you
is
have,
to be...
what do you have within your system? Any traceable record to show that this is the data I have maintained?
My lord, the prior chairman of this organization is being prosecuted on the basis of that data. Surely, my lord, if your lordships were to cast doubt on that data, then no criminal prosecution can be based on it. My lord, let us, my lord, proceed on the basis. As far as I am concerned, my learned friends may have some other argument, but let us proceed on the basis that the digital data which the CBI has obtained is going to be relied upon. It is another thing that it has come from the custody of the outsourced person. But it is being relied upon by a law court.
All right. Anything
In
else?
para 30,
we'll have to hear the others also.
yes, Lord, I'm just give me 2 minutes, Lord. In para 33, we have said that we can do the job again. So, my lord, it is not correct to say that we did not offer to do it again. Para 33 has recorded it. The second point is, my lord, para 240 is the only statistical analysis of page 229 PDF, para 240 of item 10.1.
229.
229, yes, my lord. Paragraph is 240 of the judgment.
1 second, that is the wrong.
No, that is because, my lord, your lord probably has 10.
240 PDF. 240 PDF. 240.
Para 240, my lord. Page 229 is in 10.1. 240, yes. Now see, my lord.
Para 239. Para 240.
240 is a chart. My lord, I am showing it, my lord. Why is my learned friend getting agitated? My lord, just see, my lord. Alleged irregularities in percentage, 8.5 for assistant teachers of 9 and 10, 14.7 for 11, 12. The other two are very high. Now, the problem with this order is, my lord, to bunch and put everybody in the same basket. Second proposition, my lord, this is the data taken from, my lord, the CBI record. Now, are we to rely upon it or are we not to rely upon it? My lord? That's the question before your lordship. If we can rely upon it, my lord, segregation is possible. If we are not to rely upon it, then, my lord, there is difficulty.
Yeah.
But then, my lord, the judgment doesn't stand. Some other recourse has to be sought, my lord. Even then, my lord, your lordship will have to go into the question. My lord, just two more points, my lord. I'll sit down. My lord, I. Charter.